Hello students, we will now study the natural language processing. It is a field of artificial intelligence which deals with processing of a natural language. We make computer understand the natural language which humans speak like English, Hindi, French and German. When we talk of any natural language, we say human are considered to be intelligent, communicated to the outer world, and this communication can be written or oral in both the ways. So any intelligent behavior has a two important component of perception and communication. If we make computer understand, if we are able to make computer system understand the natural language, the one which is spoken by the humans, then we say the computer possesses a natural language understanding ability. So, natural language processing or understanding deals with a set of techniques of the computer program which will make it understand any natural language of the world. Natural language can be understood in two ways. One is we write the text or we speak the language. In both of these domains, the important or common parameter is a lexical analysis and analysis of the individual word, its syntactic structure of the sentence of that language, and the meaning of that language. And processing at all these three levels required a knowledge, language specific knowledge. Here we are going to focus only on the processing of the written text. So any software which is actually dealing with the NLP is must undergo these 6 phases, out of which phonological phases is not important because it deals with the sound. So from phonological to pragmatic analysis, phonological analysis deals with the basic unit of sounds, integrating the sound units to create a unit of sound which is known as phoneme, and then understanding each word and converting it into the text. When we have the text part, morphological analysis process individual word and it find out the different form of that word along with part of speech. Syntactic analysis deals with the syntactic structure with respect to the grammar of a language, whether it's a parse tree or a structural tree. Then to find out the meaning of a sentence, semantic analysis is performed, which extracts what is the exact meaning of the input sentence. Discourse and the pragmatic analysis are the two complex NLP tasks which takes into consideration the context of the subject which is being spoken of. And it deals with complex NLP tasks like co-reference resolution, where a pronoun is replaced with the correct noun. Let us go through each of the phases one by one. In all the 6 phases, the output of one phase is used as an input to the another phase. As said earlier, the phonological analysis deals with conversion of sound units to the words. Once these words are available, it is given to the morphological analysis. Morphological analysis processes each word and it breaks the word into a root word and a prefix and a suffix. These prefix and suffix are very important in understanding the basic form of the word and deciding the part of the speech category of that word. So, like friendly is divided into friend plus ly, where friend is the root word and ly is the suffix. So, obviously, this particular suffix or prefix, that combination of suffix prefix, this word does not have any prefix as such, but they play an important role in deciding the subject or deciding the part of the speech category of the word. So main objective of morphological analysis to break down the word and find out its syntactic category. Next is the syntactic and the semantic analysis. The syntactic analysis takes a flat sentence as its input and it uses parsers to build the syntactic structure which should be in accordance with the grammar of the language. So it uses a grammatical structure, takes the input sentence and builds a syntactic structure. Here it is a syntactic tree which identifies the basic structure as sentence is made up of a noun phrase or a verb phrase, or a noun phrase is made up of determiner and the noun. Likewise, the structure is built based on this particular flat sentence, and it takes into account the grammar of that language. Parsers are used for that purpose. Once the syntactic structures are built, semantic analysis is done. Semantic analysis, objective of the semantic analysis is to find out the meaning of, make system understand the meaning of the given sentence. And for exploring the meaning, it is essential to map the individual words of the given sentence into the knowledge base structures which is already created by the system, so that system can understand who was doing the action, and why the person was doing a particular action, on whom the action was performed. So there is a collection of knowledge base, and the individual input word is mapped to that knowledge base. And then finally, to create the structure or to modify the existing syntactic structure to reveal the meaning of a sentence. So given a sentence, a syntactic analysis will create a syntactic structure. Semantic analysis will enhance the meaning or convey the meaning or extract the meaning of a sentence, either by modifying the syntactic structure or generating a new semantic structure. For both the cases, lexicon, which is a dictionary of the words containing meaning and the different part of a speech category of the word, is stored over in the database. This is known as a lexicon. And syntactic analysis and semantic analysis makes use of lexicon. Discourse integration is again a complex NLP task. For example, it is explained John wanted it badly. Given a sentence like this, the meaning of it is not clear. What does it stands for? Unless and until we know the sentences which are preceding the John S1, and finding out a noun which could be replaced by it. So such type of task where pronoun is to be replaced by the correct noun, or finding a noun to which it was referring, is known as a co-reference resolution, and it is a very important parameter in order to extract the correct meaning of a given sentence. Another complex task is pragmatic analysis. It is based on the context-based analysis. It requires a high level of knowledge. For example, if the question is being asked by a faculty to a student, like, do you know what time it is? Then this particular sentence may have two meanings. Either the faculty is asking a time, or it can be a sarcasm for being late in the class. Unless and until the context is known, a correct meaning cannot be extracted from the sentence. So pragmatic analysis basically find out the context, and based on the context, the correct meaning of the sentence is withdrawn. Sarcasm detection is still a very complex task in NLP and is a research challenge. So these were the different phases of NLP. In the next class, we'll look into the syntactic analysis. Thank you.